there. 49. I thought we were at. They just keep adding levels.
For the win.
Your hero must survive. Defeat all 4 ogres under 6 statements. Okay. So where are we at? Oh, nope. Get out. Let's take, stop it. Alright, let's take a look at where we going. We gotta go up, boom, boom. We just going up, looks like. Alright, if it's up, then it's up. Let's do a little while loop because it's going to continuously move for us. We're going to move up. We're going to make the enemy variable. We're going to find the nearest enemy and we're going to attack it. So that way when we're going up the map here, we're just going to go up, attack, and just keep it going. Let's go. Yeah. So it looks like it's the same as when we had to attack the ogres going right, when we had to attack the ogres going left. So I'm assuming maybe there's another gauntlet where we have to go down and attack them. Who knows? Gauntlet B.